Alright, so now we have reached to a better code, but still there is one more important fine-tuning remaining. We have already discussed functional update with the useState earlier, and the same we are going to do here as well. Let me start changing the code. This update which we have done is still not a very correct way. So when you update the state, there is one more syntax, that is the functional update, where I just open the setter method inside which I have a function. I can certainly use anonymous arrow function, and this should return the state. Now inside this function, React passes the previous state, and this object which we have written in this method, I will just cut and paste it here. And now I'm going to remove this second method. And here, instead of personal info, now I'm going to say previous state. That's it. So this change we have made. This is an older method which I don't need. So I'm removing set data. Alright, so now we are using the correct way to update the state. Let's try this. I'm going to refresh. Here I say my name, surname, and of course mobile. So this is working absolutely fine. Now there is one relative question to this, and that is the important question: why this syntax is better? And that is actually the question, that why is updating state with functional update syntax better? The main reason to do so is React does not update the state immediately, as it has its own method or schedule to update the states. In case there are many updates of the state happening at the same time, it may refer to an incorrect copy of a state. By using this syntax, that is having a previous state provided by React itself, we make sure that we have the very latest copy of the state. So there is no chance of having a wrong state copy which we update, and that's why better to use functional update.